is going to be your mixers. Finally, we are going to come into the ICs, the microwave monolithic. So, see, in broader terms, you call it as MMIC, microwave monolithic integrated circuits. You call it as MMIC. And here we call it as MIC, which means it is microwave integrated circuit. So we are going to see what are the fabrication technology available in MIC and what are the common components which are fabricated using MIC. We have microstrip transmission line, we have transistors, we have switches, we have active filters, and we have amplifiers, we have low noise amplifiers, and we have high power amplifiers. We are going to see how these devices are designed using MIC, how these devices are designed using ICs. I already told you in the low frequency, everything will seem very good. When you go to high frequency, all the problems will occur because my frequency of operation is very high, the power level is very high, the technology will have its own limitations. So in that case, I cannot use the conventional design. So I have to change my design. So that is going to be the concept of MIC. So MIC is not a type of IC. MIC is a fabrication technology. Using MIC, I can fabricate different microwave circuits which are going to be very, very helpful for me in the high frequency operation. And I will restrict my talk. The entire syllabus will be based on this book Razavi and Lee. Okay, these two books are completely covering your syllabus, and I'll also provide the shortened version of ebook of these two books so that you can read them and get more clarity on the topics. So PPT is available. I will upload the PPT in the Google Classroom also. That's not an issue. But I always sincerely request, don't restrict learning these topics only from the PPT. The books which I will share will provide you more than sufficient information. So have learning from the book also for effective knowledge transfer. So that is going to be the overview of the syllabus for our subject CU 18001. It is MIC and RF system design. So any queries or any doubts you have in this? So anything is very absurd or anything it is very difficult to follow in this whatever we have I have taught you about the syllabus. Anything is very difficult to you or new to you, please let me know so that I can give you some basics of that. Are things looking easy for you?
Means I have studied about CMOS and all, so just need to go through once
Yes.
again book.
Yes, I think that should be very simple to you. And even MOS basics, basic operation of field, FET, MOSFET, if you know,
Yes.
you can correlate it and you can understand the basic circuits very easily. It is not going to be that tough that you cannot understand it. It is going to be very simple only. But just we'll be seeing everything with an eye on high frequency operation. So that is going to be our goal for this unit. We are not going to study about the conventional low frequency operation, which is already available. So we are going to see how all these circuits are going to be playing a crucial role at high frequency operation. Okay. So I think with this we can start unit 1, and unit 1 has lot of independent sections. So I thought we'll start with an interesting topic, noise. So I think we'll start with noise. We'll complete all the parameters of noise and then go back to the CMOS basics, so that would be giving you at least a comfortable feeling for reading this subject. So I am going to start with the noise.